In this video, we will discuss checking the device information on a CP5 or CP5i control pad. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Then go into the Settings menu. Select Diagnostics. Then select Device Information. Here you will see a readout displaying the device software information. To exit, press back. Press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.